Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating your product entries and a sandbox tester. This is where you'll emulate purchases. Once done, enable the Inapp capability in Xcode and match the app ID to your App Store Connect records so receipts align. Make sure the product ID and code exactly match the ones you created. Finally, sign out of any production Apple ID on the device and sign into the sandbox tester account in settings so purchases hit the test environment. You now run a development build from Xcode to the device and walk through each purchase flow. Initiate, confirm, cancel, and restore. While you do that, monitor SK Payment Queue delegate callbacks to verify transaction states and ensure you finish or restore transactions properly. If you use consumables, simulate multiple purchases. For subscriptions, test renewals and expirations. Also refresh the receipt and send it to your validation endpoint you finish by confirming entitlement grants and that server validation consistently accepts sandbox receipts. Then test edge cases like offline purchases or user cancellations. Make sure Restore Purchases returns the correct items and that your app updates UI and storage accordingly. If something breaks, first confirm the device is signed into the sandbox tester, product ID match exactly, and the device clock is correct. Then rebuild with logging enabled so you can trace missing callbacks or server validation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.